Growing up in Patiala, Rajan Gupta spent most of his childhood on the factory floor, cycling to his father's workshop after school from 6th standard onwards.
My father, Shri Rajan Gupta, he started this organization in 1978. He was a core technocrat. At that point of time, not many tools were being made in India. Most of the tools were being imported from United Kingdom.
After graduating in production engineering in 1990, Rajan Gupta formally joined SS Tools. Though the business was financially stable, he quickly realized that manufacturing required deep technical understanding, patience, and long hours on the shop floor.
When I joined business, there was lack of technical support in the industry. The jobs we were doing basically were all tailor-made. Maybe till 90 we had probably close to 15-20 machines, and now at present we may be having around 70 to 80 machines.
Soon after, SS Tools took on a critical national challenge, developing indigenous gear cutting tools for HAL's aerospace programs. This nation-first commitment later propelled the company globally, culminating in the acquisition of a European plant and its evolution into a world-class gear tool supplier.
With a rising growth of EVs, especially in India, and AI and everything, I feel there are going to be some major changes, and me and my brother are in forefront of those changes.
We plan to definitely go across borders for all the exhibitions that are going to happen in the next 5 years, because it gives a very good market search, and it helps us cross borders and meet customers that don't even know about the companies as well.
The company offers a complete high-precision tooling ecosystem. Quality is never an option. It is the responsibility we carry, and that belief defines where SS Tools stands today.
You should try, and you should be hardworking, and unless and until you try to do something, you'll never reach anywhere.